Kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Kids, 2 in one day. So I just went and grabbed the mail, and my buddy Jeff sent me those brushes, and God bless you, buddy. He got in a car wreck, was my friend in our chat group, and he's like, I got something better than these nasty ass epoxy brushes you're always bitching about.
Sell crazy someplace else. We're all stocked up here.
And I do. These things lose hair faster than my dad did. I mean, it's just freaking, or me. So I just got it in the mail. Haven't even opened it yet. Let's see. Give me a knife. There's a knife. Look at my buddy. Sends me this thing. Awesome. Did not have to do that, brother, but I appreciate you. All right. So Decule. 100 pieces, flat paint brushes, small brush. I'll get the link off Amazon posted. Oh yeah, much better. And those aren't coming out. Yeah, and he says if you really want it accurate, trim them a little bit. That's going to be much better than these bag ass. Look at that. See that?
Garbage day. Huh? No.
That wasn't even that much force. This thing suck. I can't even get them out of that. Hell yes, son. Send me the link to these. I already know they're going to work. Awesome. The next thing we're going to do, I did a video. Hang on a minute. My buddy MC Creations. All right, now I need a roto twister. Said, hey, a while back, I did a video on these already. Get these silicone cups for mixing your schmutz because you don't have to throw them away, and it's a lot cheaper than buying. I used to buy hundreds of these at a time. And I shouted out to him, MC Creations out there, and I'm like, why did I ever think of this? All these freaking years. And I love them. Love them. However, the thing I didn't love is when I'm doing a small amount of epoxy, it's kind of a pain in the butt because it's harder for me to judge because I don't measure nothing. Get in there. And then you got to mix it. It's kind of deep. And it's like, well, I could always cut them. Easy enough, but So here's a good example. The other day when we did the puttying on the tunnel hull build that we're doing on the channel, I let this one solidify. So all I do, oh shit. Okay, crack it up, man. Just like that. There's a lot in there. There you go. Jesus was your savior. Look at that. All right. Then what I do is I chuck them in my wash tank. Not my wash tank, but my ultrasonic cleaner. I chuck them in there for 15 minutes. It's kind of like doing dishes. I wait till I get about 5 or 6 of these, and I throw them in there, and they come out squeaky clean. Awesome. So what I found, these gay things. Check it out. Now, you might be able to find, I just can't be bothered by searching for the exact right shape. So I found small silicone mixing cups. Look at that. Again, proof that women dominate the craft industry.
How do you write women so well?
I think of a man, and I take away reason and accountability.
But a buddy of mine on the channel, a guy that actually is not a buddy, maybe he is, we haven't talked yet, but left a message. He goes, hey, don't sweat the heart-shaped thing. If you do it right, it looked like a chick. He's right. Yeah. So anyway, I don't care. I'll put the link in the description of these. I haven't even used one yet, but it's the same stuff as this. But it's small. It has a little teacup handle like this. You can drink it, But for mixing normal amounts of epoxy, this is great. For mixing filler, fiberglass, all sorts of schmutz like that, these are the cat's ass. But this, my little heart, you can use it as a little pour spout. I mean, come on. How do you beat that, right? So, very cool. I think they were $8 for, that many. Then, one more thing, and I'll put my buddy's link. You guys hear me talk about a friend of mine, JJ Horvath, down in Florida, who's an excellent boat builder, boat racer. Whenever I have questions, I ask him on stuff, and he's very, very knowledgeable. Great builder, great guy. But he has a CNC bed. and a what was the other thing? He's got CNC bed, and he's got a good laser bed. I have laser cutters, but they ain't worth a shit. He's got real ones. So he made me a couple of these. I might have showed you these before. RC Boat Pros, that's the name of his place. He made me 2 of these, and they're boat stand. See, it's got a cut out for the shaft, and I took some weather stripping and just put it across the top, and it works. They're made out of ply, and I didn't sand it. I didn't do nothing. I just took some rattle can spray paint and sprayed it and shot it with clear coat so it wouldn't get eaten up with fuel. And that's it for me. I mean, it's a boat stand. I got 50 of them. I use PVC boat stands, but these are really nice. I have another one that he made me that's stained. It's over there, and I'm not going to get it, but I stained it. It doesn't look much better, but it's stained. But anyway, very, very cool. I think he makes and sells these. If he does, I'll put his link in the web page. But yeah, very, very sturdy, very nice. A little bit better than PVC. PVC will break. And that's really it, just a shorty. So, brushes, my buddy Jeffy, thank you. Can't wait to try them out. And then our little chicky cups, little A cups there. Yeah, and our boat stand. So anyway, that was it. Just want to share that with you guys. Keep dry side up. Bye.